Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to back up your Moodle course and how to download it onto your computer. So I'm on this Moodle page. This is the faculty Moodle page. And what I'm going to do is under administration, I'm going to click backup. And this page loads up. What I'm going to do is uncheck include enrolled users and click next. Then I'm going to click next again, and I'm going to see what's going to be downloaded. So none of our enrolled users are going to be shown in the download information. But what we will have is the course activities and resources and blocks and filters that are still going to be added into the course. So say I want to make a duplicate of this course, information and the resources that I have will be saved, but the user information will not be. Then I'm going to click Perform Backup. Now the backup may take a few seconds depending on the size of your course, but you will see a green box that shows up saying the backup file was successfully created. I'm going to click Continue, and then this page is loaded up. Now I'm not going to stop here. What I'm going to do is actually download the course onto my computer, and this is going to show up probably in my download folder on my computer or on my laptop. Now you want to do this, you want to keep a backup of every course that you have just in case something happens. You do not want to keep your backups on this user private backup area. It takes up a lot of space. So after I have downloaded this file, what I'm going to do is click Manage Backup Files. I'm going to click on this file and then I'm going to click Delete because I don't want it in my private backup file. I'm going to click Save Changes. So now I have downloaded my Moodle backup onto my own machine. I have it ready to go. And I can import it once again very easily at the start of a new semester. Say that I have a class that's starting next semester, I can import it very easily.